Welcome to North Shore Crafts Punch Needle Time, where it's playtime every time. This week we're going to do things a little bit different. My kids are off school. I am taking a much needed break to get creative, to rest the brain, to kind of just play around instead of making things to show you guys. I'm going to work on the creativity on my end to try and come up with some new ideas so then I can teach you how to do those things. So I'm pretty excited. I already started this weekend. I went to a craft out event and I have lots of ideas percolating. So I'm very, very excited. Instead of a tutorial, today we're gonna go through the Black Friday deals. That's right. Thanksgiving, Black Friday is coming, and I have some specials. And I thought it would be fun to kind of walk through some of the gift ideas. I think would be great if you have somebody that loves punch needle. I'll give you an idea of what would be a great present for them. And if you love punch needle, I have some ideas on how you can stock up and get the things that you really want from your friends and family as gifts for yourself. And be sure to stick through to the end. I have a special Black Friday special for the first 25 orders. Free stuff. You're gonna love it. I'll have that at the end. So please stay to the end so you can see what you're going to get when you purchase something. First off are kits. Kits are great gift ideas. I know if you have a loved one that loves creative things and they love to work with their hands, then the kits, but they've never heard of punch needle, the kits are a wonderful gift for those. They're easy to learn. Each kit comes with the full course tutorial and it comes with instructions with the kit as well. So if they are new to punch needle, they will get all the instructions on how to start from square one. I'll teach them everything. They'll be in great hands. It'll be a wonderful gift. And I have two kits currently in the shop for this weekend. The Trendy Neutrals punch needle kit I've had for a long time, and then the Stitches kit. And this one is fun because not only do they get to learn punch needle, but they get to learn the different stitches. So the back stitch and the top stitch and a basket weave stitch and the knots and braves. This one is a really fun one to get them to think about different stitches within punch needle. So fiber art. It's a wider range of fiber art and not just the punch needle art. And this one comes with tutorials for each of the stitches that they would make in the kit. Each kit includes, if you get this one, you pick one color for them. There's lots of fun colors, so they get to pick what color. You get to pick what color you think fits their personality better. If they're brights, then there's bright colors. If there's more of the modern pastels, there's those colors. So you get to pick your color for that one. And each kit comes with the hoop, the punch needle tool with full instructions on how to use the tool. The yarn involved for the project, the template that they will use to transfer the design, and the mugs cloth. So it's a little bit of everything so they can complete their first design with everything. So they don't have to go out and buy 4 different skeins of yarn. They get their little balls that they can complete the project with. If your loved one already does punch needle, then great gifts ideas would be just the normal, just fabric. A yard or two of fabric that will last them for the entire year. Or these easy setup frames. The Morgan no-slip frames are really easy to set up for punch needle. So those would be a great addition to their punch needle crafting. And then of course, yarn. If they want to stock up on yarn, they have that option as well. I almost forgot to tell you what the biggest Black Friday deal is. It will be 15% off store-wide, except for the big huge bolts of fabric, but 15% off on all other items throughout the store. So basically all store-wide, so they can stock up on yarn and fabric and tools. They can get whatever they want to stock up. 15% off starts Friday and goes through till Cyber Monday. So Friday through Monday, 15% off site-wide. If you love punch needle and you're looking to put punch needle supplies onto your gift list this year, then some of the ideas I had were the little Nerd hoops to make ornaments for your tree. You could do a punch needle ornament on there and just leave it in there and hang it up. I think that would be really cute because they're high quality, so they're cute within themselves, so they add to the decor. And then of course yarn. You can never use enough yarn, right? And so adding the yarn to your gift list is an amazing idea. This is the Filzy Wool yarn, and then the Cotton Chunky. Those work with your punch needle tool and they're amazing. And then I have a macrame jumbo cotton that is for more of the macrame, or you can use this on the front and stitch it onto. It doesn't work with the tool, but you can add this to your fiber art. It looks awesome. And you can also get your big frame that you've always wanted. If you're eyeballing something cool like the 17-inch Morgan North Slip hoops, I have always wanted to make a round pillow out of this. I don't know why, but you can get a big frame for your crafting desires. And now we're to the freebie. The first 25 people to get an order on Friday will get free stuff. And this year I'm going to supply, the freebie will be a yarn sampler kit. So we got the alpaca bulky yarn and cream, the Cotton Chunky in gray, about 2 yards of each. And then I'm throwing in the jumbo cotton macrame cord. If you want to use that, you could do a little bit of macrame, or you can add this to the front of your piece. This is really cool. And then 2 more Cotton Chunky and brown and black. So they're all pretty neutral colors, can then work with any of your skeins. And then the new butcher's twine that I have in my strap. That's also going to be in there, so you can sample it and see if that's something that you would want to purchase for bulk in the future. And then, because I love to share the love, I'm going to give 5 cards. And it's Christmas time, so who doesn't want to share the love around Christmas time? So you'll get a card, 5 cards to fill out and give to your loved ones and tell them why they are amazing people, because they are amazing people. And maybe even write one to yourself, because you're amazing, and sometimes we forget to tell ourselves that. So that's it. 15% off site-wide Friday through Monday. And then the first 25 people will get a free yarn sampler kit and 5 greeting cards. So come early, shop early, and I can't wait to see you guys there. I can't wait to see everything that you guys dream up to buy and purchase, and I get to put the orders together, and I would love to see what everybody orders and try to dream up what crafts you guys might be making on your end. So it's kind of exciting on my end. Happy Thanksgiving to my US people out there, and just happy holidays, happy day, happy I love you to everybody else out there in the world. Thank you for being here. I am honored, and I appreciate everything you have given me the opportunity to do. I am honored to be here with you and guide you and inspire you, and you inspire me too. So I learn and grow to keep giving you new stuff. It's a way for me to keep being inspired, and I am extremely grateful for you guys to keep opening my mind in all sorts of different ways, and I just love being here, and I appreciate you. So thank you, thank you, thank you, and I love you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.